Every year, excess amounts of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere. But how does this cause ocean acidification? By burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas, and gasoline to produce electricity, human infrastructure spews excess amounts of carbon dioxide into the air. Passenger vehicles are also a major pollution contributor, producing significant amounts of nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides, and other pollution. In 2013 alone, transportation contributed more than half of the carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide pollutants. This has changed the average pH of the ocean from 8.2 to 8.1, causing an increase of acidity in the ocean. Since the start of the Industrial Revolution in 1750, the acidity in the ocean has increased by an astonishing 30% and is still continuing today. So what is ocean acidification and how does it affect nature and ocean life? Carbon dioxide finds its way from the atmosphere into the ocean. When the carbon dioxide meets the water, it reacts and forms carbonic acid. Each molecule of carbonic acid then releases 2 hydrogen ions, which increase the acidity of the water and in turn dissolve the calcium carbonate of shells and exoskeletons of sea creatures. Plankton have very thin exoskeletons, and the increased acidity of the ocean threatens to react with the calcium carbon and their shells. Zooplankton are the base of ocean food chain, and without them the food chain would collapse, affecting the vast majority of marine species. How does ocean acidification affect human life? About 1 of every 7 people get most of their protein from seafood. That would leave about 1 billion people with lack of food. Imagine how unstable the world would be with 1 billion more hungry people. Changing the composition of the world's ocean will undermine a variety of commercial operations. Ocean acidification will cost the world economy more than $1 trillion annually by 2100. This sparks the question on what we can do to reverse these effects or at least slow them down. While scientists have experimented with ways of offsetting some of the damages of acidification, they have only came up with prototypes for reversing it. Some of which by planting seagrass meadows or basically using Alka-Seltzer to fight the ocean acid reflux. But the only real solution to slow down ocean acidification is to cut down on the CO2 in the atmosphere.